Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to paint a beautiful seascape which is very simple. First I just tilt the board to 30 degree and I draw the horizon line followed by drawing some rocks here and there. Let us start by wetting the sky part of the paper. Also get ready with cobalt blue color to paint the sky. After painting the sky, allow it to dry completely. Next, we are going to paint the waves in the sea that is crashing on the rocks. For that, I am using this wax crayon. So, wherever we apply the wax crayon, there won't be the watercolor pigment won't stick to it. So by using the wax crayon, we can create the water splashes when the waves crash on the rocks. Now I am using indigo color to paint the sea. Wherever we have applied the wax crayon, the pigment won't react very evenly. There will be some dots here and there so that it will create a beautiful splash effect. I'm wetting the area above the rocks to paint the shadow of the waves. I have mixed indigo with orange, with little orange, um, which is which is used to create the shadow of the waves. While painting the shadow of the waves, I'm trying to make the shadow that is which is near the rocks is much darker, uh, and it gets lighter when it reaches the top of the waves. So I'm using feathering technique so that there is a smooth transition of color from dark to light. Using the same indigo and orange mixture, I paint the frothy water which is nearby to the viewer. These are just random strokes, and I'm leaving some white area to show that there is frothy water. To paint the rocks, I'm using burnt umber color. I used Payne's Grey to paint the darker part of the rocks. Next, I'm drawing the sailboat which is at distance. I'm using vermilion hue to paint the sail and indigo to paint the boat. Hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more watercolor painting videos. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.